Namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking for Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also. Please join with us as early as possible. Our company is established in 1983, so we have around 38 years of huge experience in this jewelry and pearl industry. We believe customer is our God. Our company's main motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable pricing. Today I bring in front of you beautiful gold chains, maximum with stone collections in combination of purely 22 carats gold with some 2 earrings also. First we will see the overview, then I will explain each and every product clearly. So this is the first one with Navratan concept, in between gold balls, Nakshi with Nakshi design. So one more beautiful latest chain is with emeralds, dark Indian emeralds with. Third is big Navratan chain, a grand look. It is useful for ladies and gents. So one more beautiful jhumka, very traditional jhumka with ruby and pearl combination, in between CJs. And one more small hanging with amethyst and blue topaz, beautiful hanging. And one more grand piece and very pretty piece with flat diamonds and diamonds, and with the combination of earrings are with CJs and green and white stone, white pearls. So one more beautiful choker latestly came with coral flower with diamonds and flat diamonds with KC pearls also added we are here. So before explaining each and every product, first I will tell our brand name and brand address, then I will explain each and every product clearly. First, our brand name is Krishna Pulse. It is located in Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just 100 meters away from the Jubilee Hills metro station, on the way to Peddamma temple. If we are come from the opposite side of from High Tech City, just opposite to the Beyond Coffee store. And this is our logo, peacock is our logo. This is in brown color. Please note this before entering the store, because maximum customers are confusing because Krishna is present for so many stores. So before entering in the store, please watch this logo. And we have a video call shopping facilities also available, and that WhatsApp number is 92480-36721. Once again I am repeating, 92480-36721. If any queries or if you want to see any other related designs, please WhatsApp this one number. Just say hi to this number. And we have international shipping facilities also available, that to all major countries free shipping is there, but some countries they charge custom charges. If you individually WhatsApp, then we will tell the exact prices, custom charges of the international shipping. And if it is in India, all over India, we have complete free shipping is there. We are not charged a single rupee also there. And if you are present from the local Hyderabad and Secunderabad area, our person personally comes and deliver the products. So we have you can buy directly from our website also, www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating, www.krishnapulse.com. You can directly purchase the pearl products from this website and pay the payment through online. So I will explain each and every product clearly. First we will start with the simple choker. Here are very beautiful uncut dark emeralds. These are emeralds, and that too smaller to bigger size. Here little bit graduation is there. In between uneven shape pearls are there. Little bit KC pearls we are added here, and I will show you this one clearly. Back side we are provided the dory, so anybody can easily wear this product according to their neck length and dress code. This is made in 18 carats gold, not 22, because diamonds are also there. Diamonds need more grip. So this total emerald and pearls, KC pearls are in nylon silk thread, around 5 rows. Nylon silk thread is very strong. We use 2-3 rows. This is designed by our designers and made in our work unit only. Very beautiful and simple one. This is very good for our little kids' daughters also. It looks very nice. I will show you. This highlight is the coral flower, and round that we are using the diamonds and flat diamonds cut diamonds and flat diamonds. Here we are used a hanging pendant. On that KC pulse we are added. See how beautiful the KC pulse are. This is darker emerald. Maximum nowadays are coming with Russian emerald light color, but we are used here dark emerald. 18 carats gold total. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This gross weight is around 33.7 grams, including stones, diamonds, pearls and coral, and net weight is 13.5 grams, and total price is around 2,06,000. 2,06,000 is the price. See once again how beautiful is this. If you want to customize anything, we will do. If you want the red color stones, rubies instead of emeralds, we will put the rubies. Or if you want mixed stones also, we will put. This is in 18 carats gold. Around 2 lakhs price range, you are getting a beautiful choker. So the second piece is very, very pretty and grand piece, grand looking piece, total functional wear. In marriages it looks very nice. Total emerald, cut emerald we are used on that small gold balls we are used, and two brooch type designs we are used on the diamonds we are used here. Here a single big emerald is there. On that flat diamonds and cut diamonds we are used with milky white pearl hangings. Very latest design, beautiful piece. This also we are provided backside with dory. So this can be wearable by both ladies and gents also. For gents also and sherwanis, it looks very nice. See, 3 types of pendants are there. Very beautiful design, designed by our designers and made in our work unit. This also made in 18 carats gold because the diamonds need more grip. So making in 22 carats gold is not good for the diamonds, because diamonds are very higher end prices. That's why they need more grip. If we lose one diamond also, it becomes so much cost. Once again we will see closely. See the clarity of the emeralds, cut emeralds. The dory also golden color dory we are provided. Total inside is the nylon silk thread. Around 8 rows are there. On the gold balls also we are provided little bit design, Nakshi design we are provided. These are the very beautiful 2 brooch type putties studded with diamonds, cut diamonds. See, the actual magic starts here. See the glitters of the flat diamonds and diamonds. Diamonds, emeralds and pearls. This is called as Nizam style. Maximum whoever came to Hyderabad, they ask the diamond and pearl and green combinations, because Nizam's jewelry this is called as. In our stores, maximum people ask with emerald, diamond and pearl combinations. These are hot cakes in our stores. If you want to do any customize also, we will do. Instead of emerald, if you want to place the ruby or sapphire, we will do. We will check the weights and prices also. This gross weight is 88 grams, including diamonds, emerald and pearls. 88 grams is the gross weight. And net weight is 25 grams. Around net weight is 25 grams is the gold in 18 carats gold with hallmark is there. Price is around 7,45,000. 7,45,000 is the price, but very reasonable because maximum diamonds are there in this. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. We will do the very, very best deal. Don't think this is the final price. We will do very, very best deal. And we are provided small hangings also. exact matching for this, but these are not with diamonds, these are with CZs. If you want same diamond hangings also, you will get. Previously also I showed this one, because these are very fast moving items in our stores. For kids also it looks very nice. Just CZs, green stones and milky white pearls with Mumbai screw. On your request we will do the Chennai screw also. This price is just 34,000 only. Gross weight 7.6 grams, net weight 4.8 grams, just 35,000. On 35,000 range you will get a beautiful studs, stud plus hanging. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot. For kids this looks very beautiful. So next chain is very beautiful and grand chain in Navaratna concept. Except diamond, all the 8 gemstones are present here. Starts from cat's eye, emerald and uneven shape pearl, uneven shape coral, yellow sapphire, garnet, blue sapphire. Again starts garnet, cat's eye, ruby. So almost 8 types of stones are there. This is totally studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. We are provided the caps also for the stones. See, big uneven shape stones, it gives the natural look. If you want to increase the length, we can provide the dory. Then it is useful for both ladies and gents also. Otherwise we will add the gold rings extra. See the natural look, exactly natural look it is giving. Total uneven shape stones, uncut stones. See the lights also visible in the stones. See the glitters of the lights in the stones. Our face is also visible in the stones, very clarity stones. And the most highlight is that this much big ruby stone. Pink color it is a little bit coming, not dark ruby, but very fine quality stones we are used here. We will see the weights and prices of this one. Gross weight 101 grams, including stones and gold, 1 grams. I hope gold is less only, around 10 grams is the gold, because only on caps and inside is the gold thread. Rest of all maximum weight is stones only. On 101 grams, just 10 grams is the gold, and the price is 1,10,000. Approximate price is 1,10,000. So don't think this is the final price. We will do the very best deal, best discount we will do. And we have resale option also. We have exchange facility also. After using 2 or 4 years, if you want to exchange and take the other design, latest design, then gold and diamond we will give the 100% value, and stones and pearls also we will give 80% exchange value. Exchange only, we are not giving the cash back. Only 80% exchange value we will give. Just 20% we will cut, and bill is compulsory. So I will show you one beautiful jhumka. This is latestly came with Mumbai screw, very traditional. See the design. With cut rubies, and inside is one big drop of pearl is there, and on the upper side we are using the morganite stones, not CZs, because something more clarity, more good stones compared to CZs. These morganite stones are more fine quality ones, equivalent to Swarovski stones these are called as. And this gross weight is 25 grams, including stones, morganite stone and pearls and gold. Net weight is 20 grams. On 20 grams is the gold is there, so only 5 grams is the rest of the stones and pearls. Price is very reasonable, 1,35,000. Only 1,35,000. You will get a beautiful jhumka with stud plus jhumka type. You can see Mumbai screw is there, purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. This is very beautiful piece. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. New Year is just 2 days, and just 2 days New Year is present, and then Sankranti festival is there. So if anybody is planning, please approach our team. So one more beautiful and simple hanging. This is with pushing. We have provided this one with pushing. Simple amethyst stones. Small stud is there on the amethyst. On that, this one small hangings. This is in very lightweight. This is just 3.4 grams. Gross weight is 3.4 grams only. Net weight is 1.4 grams. And the price is very reasonable, around 20,000. Around 20,000 is the very reasonable price. Don't think this is the final. We will do the very best deal. See, this is with pushing, because due to the less weight, we are using the pushing. On your request, we will do the Chennai screw or Mumbai screw. So simple hanging for our daughters, kids, it looks very nice. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. These are all New Year collections, latestly came. So one more long chain, very beautiful with emerald, dark emerald. Today I am showing dark emerald. Every day I am showing the light emerald. That's why today I am showing the dark emerald. Uncut beads these are. Very long chain. For elders it looks very nice. For youngers also, now fashion is going there. On marriages and dhoti functions, gents can also wear. Nizam style, and in between we are using the gold, small gold balls. On that also Nakshi design we are given. We will see the weights and prices of this one. See how beautiful the clarity of the stones. Total 5 rows is there. Very beautiful piece. This is very awesome traditional design also. This one traditional and simple ones. You can wear daily also. On sarees, dresses also it looks very nice. Especially it looks for elders, it looks very nice. Nizam style this one. And this this grass weight is around 45 grams is the grass weight, including emerald and gold. Net weight is 25.5 grams. 25.5 grams. And price is 2,40,000, because very long chain, gold is also there. And emerald, real emerald is there, 2,40,000. I think reasonable price only. Latestly came with a little bit antique finish. We are given dull finish. Beautiful chain on 2,40,000. And this is very flexible also. You can use as a twister also. If you use the twist, and you can use as a one step by step also. If you want to see related designs, please say hi to our WhatsApp number. Then our team is ready. They will show the related designs. Or if you want to place the order, customize, instead of emerald, if you want to with ruby or sapphire or any other multicolor stones also, we will take the orders. Within 15 days, we will make and give you in 2,40,000 range. So one more last piece, today's last piece I am showing. Very beautiful chain. This is also with Navaratna concept only. All real stones we are used, uncut stones. We have provided the caps also, but we are used the Nakshi balls and concept in this. See, beautiful and simple ones. So gold is also there. Previously I showed maximum gold is less, maximum stones are there. In this, gold is also equivalent present with the stones. And this is with 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. Gross weight is around 60 grams and net weight is 26 grams. And price is 2,66,000. Approximate price 2,66,000. Once we will see closely. See, in the starting also we are used the Nakshi gold balls. Then see this type of stones are different type of emerald is there, garnet, blue sapphire, yellow sapphire, emerald, coral, pearl, and at the end for highlighting red color is there, ruby, and a big nakshi ball is there. Beautiful, around 2,66,000. Net weight also around 26 grams. So gold is also equivalent present with the stone weight. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. We are ready to give the answers for your queries. So one of the madam asked in this different colors. Ma'am, thank you for watching our online streaming. In this you will get different types of colors also, ma'am, ready-made available also there. If you place the order also, we will make and give you. Thank you for watching our live program. So hoping you like today's episode. And we have 4 branches. Our first branch is in near Charminar. You will get plenty of pearl collections there, and one of the royal store is in Hotel Taj Krishna, H level, very beautiful store is there. And 2 more stores are available in Hotel Novotel beside the Hyderabad International Convention Center. Very fast moving products are available there, and our big and very exclusive store is present in Jubilee Hills Road number 36. All of you know that one. In the ground floor, plenty of diamond collections, polki collections, and plain gold collections are available there. Especially that ground floor is meant for marriages. And the second floor you will get plenty of collections in pearls, and we have started the silver section also from the House of Silver also from the last year onwards. Very pure silver we will use. So hoping you like today's episode. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. So we will meet in the next year, new year, because in the 2 days this 2021 is ended. So we are all welcoming 2022. Hoping the new year brings us very good luck. Thanking you very much. Bye bye. Signing out, Suman. Dhanyavad.